Hello, scrapbookers! This is Megan, and I am back today with a very exciting kit share. So this is for the scrapbookingstore.com. If you didn't know, I am on their design team, so I receive both of the kits every month. And this month's kit, let me tell you, is amazing and gorgeous. I'm super excited. The shipping was a little bit late, so I just got my kit yesterday, and I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to post this video on Tuesday so that you guys can see this kit and go place your orders ASAP because it's amazing and you don't want to miss out on this kit. So I absolutely loved their packaging this month. It came in this pretty pink package and it says scrapbookingstore.com, and oh, it's just super cute. Anyway, that was just random. So this is the upgrade kit. This is what you'll get if you get the upgrade kit. That's like the extra embellishment add-on kit. And then this is the main kit. So I'm going to start off by showing you the main kit. First up, we got these willow stickers from One Canoe 2, and I absolutely love these stickers. They are so stinking cute and just so fun. The colors are so pretty, and I don't know if you guys can see in the video, but like it's got the rose gold kind of coppery foil look going on, which is super duper duper pretty. I really love that. And then all the pretty flowers. So I'm super excited about that. Then let's jump into the papers. So it looks like this is the Jen Hadfield. This is Family Collection. So first off, you have this pretty cut apart piece. This paper is called Family Life. And then you have this gorgeous pink polka dot on the back. Then this paper is called Baking Day, which is super fun because we're getting into the season of baking. And then that has a light pink with dark hearts. I love this paper. This is so cute. This one's called Bike Ride. And then there's a nice stripe on the back. Oh, you guys know I love a pretty stripe with all these fall colors. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Then this one's called Bits and Pieces. So you have a bunch of different sayings and things going on that paper. Ooh, this background paper is pretty. I like that. Then this one is called Home Sweet Home. This one would be kind of fun to use, like take a picture of your home and just kind of talk about your home. And then a pretty black floral. This one is called Sending Love. So you've got a lot of different border strips on here. Ooh, I love this little floral envelope one. Isn't that pretty? And then the tacos, oh my gosh. That is so stinking cute. And then a gorgeous stripe, black and white stripe. Then you have Scattered Leaves, which is just a really pretty leaf pattern. Oh, with a gorgeous yellow floral on the back. Then we have Fall Time, which just has a bunch of different trees. And then a nice yellow polka dot. And then, let's see, this one's called Growing Together. It's got a bunch of gardening memorabilia. And then this one is just a bunch of different words. Tradition, telling stories, remember, we are family together, love, cooking, family, memories, gardening. Yeah, so super fun. That's really pretty. Oh, I love this rainbow paper. I'm obsessed with rainbows right now. It's kind of fun that that's like an in thing right now, is rainbows. This one's called Fridge Art. Oh, that's a gorgeous teal. Oh my god, so gorgeous. And then look, oh, these two papers would go so amazingly together. This one's called Fresh Picked. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Okay, and then very last piece of paper is called Houseplants. Super cute. And then another nice polka dot. I do like how a lot of these are just very simple backgrounds on the B side, and then the A sides are like the crazy pattern. That's kind of awesome because I don't always like the crazy pattern. I mean, sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't. So that is the main kit right there. Then I will bring in the upgrade kit. So this month's upgrade kit comes with the Willow stamp collection. And it's just got a bunch of different cute stamps, florals, and words and phrases, which is really fun. Then we have the Jen Hadfield stickers. So this is Heart of Home stickers. And these are all of the stickers on there. I think it's just 3 of the same ones. So that's kind of nice. And then we also have these puffy dots in a bunch of different colors. Sorry about the glare. And this is from the This Is Family collection. I am so super excited about this collection. I haven't seen this one. So this is really, really fun that we got this collection for this month and we get to play with it. I am so super excited. I hope you enjoyed this kit share. Make sure you use my link below. I will have it down below so that you can grab your own kit for the month of November. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.